Hi, today I'm going to talk about the Sophia and William 4-burner propane gas barbecue grill. This was sent to me for review, and I'm not going to use any kind of script. I'm just going to talk about it over the video and tell you what I really like about it. First of all, it went together real easy. As you can see here, I just did a time lapse of me putting it together in my living room. And it went together really well and very easily. The instructions were very good. So as you can see here, this is my very first time cooking on it, and I wanted to talk about the build quality is great, very solid, very heavy duty. As you'll hear, my dog already smells it. And I've put these video clips kind of out of sequence, but I wanted you to see everything that I was cooking. And while doing that, I'm going to talk about some of the features of the grill itself. It has 4 independently controlled burners, so it creates good zones. You know, you have 4 different zones of cooking, plus you also have a side burner as well that you can use to put a pot on or something like that if you need that as well. So in addition to the 4 burners, you also have the side burner. Something you may also notice here is the grates themselves are porcelain enamel cast iron grates, and they are very heavy, and they do a wonderful job with dispersing the heat evenly. I had no trouble controlling the heat, and all parts of the grill seem to heat very uniform, and it really was a pleasure to cook on. The body itself is actually made of stainless steel, so it's much more resistant to rust than a typical grill for sure, and I'm really happy to have that. They also have what they call a modular cleaning design, which includes a removable grease tray and then a rust-resistant porcelain interior. And this is supposed to help reduce cleaning time up to 60%. So here we are. This is the Sophia and William 4-burner propane gas barbecue grill. I highly recommend taking a look at it. It has really been a pleasure having it, and I appreciate them sending it over.